Hey guys, this is Miss Ewing, and this video is about combining like terms. Combining like terms simply means putting things that look alike together as much as we can. If I were to give you the problem 4x plus 3 minus 2x, the first thing I look for are items or terms that look the same. In this particular problem, I will start with the 4x, and negative 2x contains the same variable, so they are alike. The constant or the sign of the number does not matter. What matters is the variable attached. Positive 3 has no matches, it's simply all by itself. When I start to combine my like terms, I like to put the 2 or 3 that are alike next to each other. Just so I can see them separately. Now, if you remember from class, we talked about yellow and red counters, where yellow meant positive and red meant negative. In this particular problem, 4x is a positive, so I'm going to represent that with 4 yellow markings. I will also label each of those with an X because we are counting X's. The negative 2x can be represented by 2 red circles labeled also with an X. If you remember back to Module 1, we talked about creating zero pairs. Zero pairs are created when you combine one positive with one negative. If I have $1 and I pay you $1, I end up with 0. In this particular set, there are 2 zero pairs. Those essentially cancel each other out. And we are left over with positive 2x. Since my positive 3 doesn't have anything to combine with, we simply bring that straight down to be part of our combining like terms answer. Let's take a look at another one. If our problem were 3xy minus 2b plus 4xy plus 8b. Again, I'm going to go through and put together the things that I know look alike. So I have positive 3xy and positive 4xy. Then I go to the next term of negative 2b, and I compare that up with a positive 8b. If I rewrite the problem so that the terms that are alike are next to each other, I have 3xy and positive 4xy. And then on this side I would have negative 2b and positive 8b. Now, some of us are in the place where we can see immediately that because my 3xy and my 4xy are both positive, we simply add those digits. But if you need the reminder, we can represent that with 3 yellow dots, and the 4xy is positive, so we can represent with 4 yellow dots. In this case, there's nothing that we can cancel out using a zero pair because there's not one positive and one negative. So we just combine everything, and in total I have 7xy. Moving on to my b's, I know that negative 2b would be represented with 2 red dots, and positive 8b would be represented with 8 yellow dots. Now in this case I can cancel some out. A negative plus a positive equals 0. A negative plus a positive equals 0. If I look at what is left over, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 positive 6 b's left over. So this is my new simplified expression. As much as you guys want to put them together somehow, remember in class we talked about this being as simple as it could get. Until you know what x, y, or b stand for, You cannot combine those in any other way. I hope this video helped a little bit. Just remember, you can always go back and rewind and rewatch the steps. If you need further assistance or have questions, just shoot me a message on Canvas. And I hope you guys have a great afternoon.